Is your iPhone keyboard freezing or lagging? I've got the solutions for you. In this video, I'll quickly show you the top ways to fix this issue and get your iPhone back to normal. Stick around as we go through the steps. 1. Restart your iPhone. A simple restart can clear out temporary glitches. Hold the power button, then slide to turn off. Power it back on, then check if the keyboard works. 2. Reset keyboard settings. If the issue persists, reset your keyboard settings. Go to Settings, then General, then Reset. Then reset Keyboard Dictionary. This will restore the default settings. 3. Free up storage space. Lack of storage can slow down your iPhone. Go to Settings, then General, then iPhone Storage. Delete unnecessary files to improve performance. 4th, update iOS bugs in outdated software could be the cause. Head to Settings, then General, then Software Update to install the latest version of iOS. 5. Close background apps. Running too many apps can overload your device. Swipe up or double-click the Home button, then close any unnecessary apps to free up resources. By following these steps, you should have your iPhone keyboard working smoothly again. If this video helped, make sure to subscribe for more quick fixes.